Hello friends, I have 20 years of experience in power plant operation and commissioning. So I want to share my knowledge with my friends who are starting their careers in power plant and want to understand the equipment's fundamental. So here in this video we will learn about Deaerator. So let us discuss why a Deaerator is required. Deaerator is required in each and every power plant and some other process industries also where DM water and boiler water is used. So if we do not remove oxygen or dissolved gases from the DM water which is going to be used in boiler, that may damage the equipment and the piping associated with the power plant. So if oxygen and other gases are available in the water, so it may form bubbles inside that water which is going in the boiler feed pump, and that bubbles when it reaches the pump suction, it burst, and then bursting of that bubbles cause pitting phenomena on the piping, and that pitting phenomena cause a local damage of that pipeline material, and that may be a very severe damage mechanism. And other thing is that if CO2 is also there, then at other temperature CO2 and H2O react and form H2CO3 carbonic acid, which is a weak acid and may lead to damage of pipeline with acidic corrosion. So O2 and CO2 are the main constituent which we have to remove. Now what is a deaerator? Deaerator is a process vessel where there is a top portion where there is a deaeration process happening, and then in the bottom that there is a storage tank where deaerated water is being stored in that tank. Here in the top portion water and steam and other return condensate are coming and deaeration process is happening. This tank is normally kept at some height from boiler feed pump, that is to provide a suction head to the boiler feed pump, that is called NPSH. NPSH we can discuss in the question and answer comment section, and I can make a detailed video on that also in later stages. Now how deaerator works. This diagram depicts the major piping inlet and outlet condition for deaerator. Here we can see that steam is coming and water is coming, and there is a vent also on the top of it. So the deaerator works on the Dalton's law of partial pressure, where you introduce steam from the outside system, that is a low pressure steam, and water is being sprayed from the top. So this spray keeps that water coming in the very fine particle, and that particle, if there are dissolved gases, steam tries to push that other gases out from this continuant vent purge which is on the top side of deaerator. And the temperature also increased by steam, which act as a like temperature increase, that solubility of gases in water decreases. So that is also going to help in deaeration process. If you go to any deaerator, then you will see that top there is a vent and then steam coming out. So that steam is showing that some air is coming, and with that extra steam is coming. So that vent is already kept open. Yeah, this is how the deaerator fundamentally what we can understand. And if you have any more query, you can write to me in the comment section. I will try to find time and reply on those queries. And if you like this video, you can share with your friends who are starting the career and want introductory knowledge. And for similar videos or short videos, you can subscribe this channel also. Thank you.